Hi guys, today we will make the rear shock absorbers for my Volvo V70 2004. It's a D5 and I bought Bilstein because I guess it's a good quality. Here is the part number if you need. No need to tell you to secure well your car when you work under. The main jack point when you want to jack your car is here. Before to remove anything, covers and etc. in the hood, it's good to put some penetrating oil on the bottom screw. There is only one. As you can see, no need to remove the wheel as we will work only with this bolt here. We will have to pull up the whole shock absorber by ear and pulling it up by the same way. So now let's get to work inside the car. Honestly, dare to do this job because it's really fast and easy, and you could save 100, 200 euro, pound, dollars. Now we have to remove the shell. I did already in the opposite side, so you will need a wrench or a key with a 10mm socket. That's it. As you can see, the only one bolt is here, so remove it. It's already unscrewed. Fold your rear seat. Remove this small door. And now we can remove this shell. It's held by inside by 3 clips. 1, 2, and 3. This side we have the 12-volt power, so don't forget to unplug. Now remove the shell. Remove this trap door by pulling it up also, and remove also this sound shell, let's say. And here we are. The access of the top mount of the shock absorber is here. Remove or fold gently this foam. It's sticky. Depending on the brand of your old shock absorber, you will need key 18 or 19. To remove the top mounting nuts, insert the key T40 to block the thread. Well, that's it for inside the car. Now let's go to work under the car. To remove the bottom mounting screw, it's socket 17 or key 17. Insert the new shock absorber by being careful that it's really getting out up. Voilà. Voilà. Put some thread locking fluid on the... Oh, doucement, doucement. On the bolt. If I'm a good guy, I should tight with the good torque, but I'm not a good guy. Allez, another one, it's a good customer. Well, That's it for under the car. Well, back into the car. This new shock absorber are provided with the new nuts, so let's use it. Same concept than before. Put your T40 key inside. Et voilà. That's it. Oh, it's a good customer. Vas-y, vas-y. Done. Put back the foam. Don't forget to plug back the 12-volt power. And then you can put back the side shell. As you can see, there is 3 clips. Put down first. Then the screw. The small side door. The trap door. Put back the seats. And finally, the gauge cover. And you're done, guys. So if you like the video, it would be cool to subscribe. As you can see, there is more than 90% of people who watch my videos who are not subscribers.